Welcome back to Kairu Rider. I work in a Yamaha dealership in Tokyo and... Wait, did Starbucks give me a fork with my yogurt? Sorry. Now, I can't film at work, so... Oh my god, did I just miss the frame? Son of a... Okay, I'm doing this at home to film for you. You're welcome. And you know what? Let's just get to the unboxing. Alright, so this just came in the mail. Let's not waste time and open it up and see if it was money well spent. And just real quick, I'll show you here. My stock exhaust has less than 600 kilometers, though it was in January on some salty roads. It's already rusty. So hopefully titanium doesn't rust, which is what the internet says, and the internet never gets anything wrong. And just put some gloves on because any finger oils you get on this are part of it. Here's the springs, a spring puller, which is nice. I don't remember that Akrapovic offers a spring puller when I've installed them at work. And I like stickers and installation guides and whatnot, but this is a Euro 5 road legal exhaust, which matters in Japan too now. And I am a mechanic at a Yamaha dealership in Tokyo, so I have some experience doing things like this. But here's what the exhaust is. I'm not going to take it too much out of the box right now. I'm just showing you what the packaging looks like. And there's the actual muffler and whatnot. Yeah, I'll take it apart outside, but let's leave it as safe as possible till we're ready to put it on the bike. It feels already much lighter than a stock exhaust, which of course you would hope at this kind of money. Let's cut to outside and get to work. So I don't have the springs here. I did find out after I finally found their very low quality installation video, this ring up here has to be flipped. It was assembled like this in the box, but apparently it comes apart more. So I'm gonna take it apart now. Here we go. Okay, so what I need to do is take this off and flip it, and now the springs will line up. It was assembled like that in the box. I'm not trying to blame them, but I didn't assemble it. But other than that little snafu, if that's the worst that happens with this, I'm still very satisfied. Let's put it back together and do the other side too. I got it back in place, and now you can see the springs are in there. I put the springs back on the bottom, and I just have to clean it and start it later when the neighbors aren't asleep. Okay, I think it may have stopped recording, but I put the exhaust on here. This is remounted. The mounting bracket is here with the bolt, and here's the catalytic converter. So everything is all buttoned up. Let's check for leaks. Real quick, I'm just gonna use some nail polish remover to make sure there's no fingerprints or anything. So you can see here, if we get real close, they have welded the bolts in place. These are not strong welds. I could move it a little bit right now by hand. It's illegal to remove the baffle now. So if you choose to remove yours, by all means go remove it. I'm not removing mine.